I like my Thermomix TM5 won't start at all. We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. Vi are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The problem might be with the power board or a faulty connection, which can prevent your Thermomix from powering on. Thankfully, we can replace the board and ensure everything is securely connected to get your TM5 back in action. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.